Hey folks, it's Papa Texas. That's right, the big W made me that. His link is down below. Tour in Arizona, living there now. Alright, today's video is about the Uncle Steve Shake, a giveaway. You get a 6-month supply. That's right, from 3 different channels. So we're gonna have my winner, Kent, Daddy Dutch Barbecue, and Rob Barbecue Pit Dog. We're each gonna tell you who our winners are. Come on, Rob, go ahead.
Hey, Papa. Hey, the winner for my video is gonna win that 6-month supply of Uncle Steve Shake. Man, I'm jealous. Well, the winner is East Texas Cooking and Outdoors. So congratulations, Gary. Hope you enjoy that, bud. All right, back to you, Papa.
That is awesome. Gary's an awesome guy, you know that? All right, he just lives down the road. And now Kent, Daddy Dutch Barbecue, he's going to tell you who his winner is. All right, and we'll come back and we'll hear who mine is. And we appreciate Uncle Steve for all he's done. Awesome guy. His link will be down below too. His website, his YouTube, check him out. We gotta appreciate him, you know it? And he's got hundreds of videos on his channel of all the YouTubers creating their dishes with his shakes. That's right, it's not a rub, it's a shake, because you can shake it on anything. Shake it on popcorn. All right, I'm carrying on. Kent? Hey everybody, Kent back with you, Daddy Dutch Barbecue. On this quick video, we are picking our winner for the Uncle Steve Shake giveaway. Now Papa's picking one from his channel, Rob and Duke are picking one from theirs, along with me for mine. And after much consideration from some very nice comments from everybody, thank you very much for that, my winner is none other, let me grab something, than this guy right here, Dan's Outdoor Cooking from Indiana. Thank you, Dan. Thanks for watching all 3 videos. We appreciate it. I know Uncle Steve appreciates it. So you have a 6-month supply of Uncle Steve Shake headed your way, buddy. Hope you enjoy it. And I can't wait to see it on a Cast Iron Wednesday. Thanks everybody for watching, commenting. We hope you enjoyed it. And keep cooking, everybody. We'll see you later. All right, man, that was awesome. Dan is gonna love that. He's been waiting for me to send him some. I don't have to send it now, you know? All right, who's Papa picking? Drum roll. This is my drum roll. Calvin's Corner 72. That's right, my buddy Calvin. I've been YouTube friends with him since 2016. Dutch oven cooking? Go see Calvin. Yeah. Go check all these people out. I'm gonna leave links to everybody in there because you're gonna see people cooking with this stuff now. You know it? Well, that's all I got. We really appreciate Uncle Steve. That's your 3 winners. 6-month supply. Get a rope. All right. Hope everybody's got toilet paper. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. Papa, Texas. See ya. Yeah. Hit that bell. It's Papa. Yeah.